Hi, my name is Harry Lightfoot from Berthon International, and we are here today to look around a 1993 Bowman 48. Bowman are well known for their sailing capabilities, and this yacht has certainly proven that she is an excellent sailor, having been used mainly for family summer holidays as well as longer trips to Iceland and Greenland. And as we make our way aft, you will see that she is a centre cockpit Bowman 48, and this was the only one ever to be built. The owner over the years has done comprehensive refits, including lots of electrical, communication equipment, sails, rig. The list really does go on, and she is ready to set sail. And as we make our way forward, you can see self-tacking jib, plenty of hatches to let in natural light. You have a large sail locker forward. You've got your larger genoa, your electric anchor windlass, which has buttons forward and aft in the cockpit. With all lines leading aft, this yacht really is very easy to sail, single-handed or with a full crew. On the mast, she has the benefit of twin whisker poles for going downwind. As we slowly make our way aft, you can see those lines leading back into the cockpit. The teak decks are in excellent condition. With that centre cockpit, you get excellent visibility and safety, including a full cockpit enclosure, and you have those hard glass windows forward. As we make our way aft, you've got two solar panels for extra power, these three large stern lockers, a wind generator, you have your life raft as well as your outboard bracket. You can see the amount of space you get as she is that centre cockpit layout. As we just step over, you can see there's four main winches in the cockpit, two that are electric as your primary. You have your main sheet winch as well as your main sheet track, engine controls, cockpit table that swings up, good handhelds. You have your plotter, wind instruments and depth, excellent visibility forward. And as we make our way down, you can see the large sort of saloon. The saloon table will swing right out, so you can have plenty of people sitting around for dinner. If you just look round to the port side, you have a very well thought out chart table. Again, you've got all your equipment, radar, plotter, autopilot, VHF, an aft head with shower, have your AC DC panel. Again, this yacht, all electronics has been replaced, batteries, everything you can think of, she really is ready to go. It has clever storage on port and starboard. As we make our way forward, you have two cabins. You've got yourself a double and a twin bunk above, hanging storage as well. And on the starboard side, you've got two bunk beds, storage forward as well. You have your heating outlets in each cabin, stereo system, nice amount of natural light coming in as well. To make our way to the linear galley on the starboard side, twin sinks, your microwave, have excellent space to cook and hold on while at sea. You've got a double fridge, and you have the benefit of this excellent access, this walk-in engine room. You have your generator, water maker. All systems can be easily accessed. You have your water maker there, and it's full sound. There's your fridge. As we make it into your full width master aft, you have your double seating again either side, excellent natural light. She has the ensuite, again with shower. This boat comes with plenty of storage and really is built to hit the oceans and go anywhere you'd want to go. As we just make our way back forward, you just get a final view of that excellent saloon. She really is an excellent yacht.